Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a brand new 2024 Ford Raptor, and we've installed the M&R Pro Series ditch light kit. So I want to show you exactly how much light you get. Alright, so these are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams, and this is the hood mount kit. The hood mount kit does come in a spot beam pattern, and you can angle it in any position that you want. I'm going to go ahead and swivel it just to show you. So some people like to face it forward, some people like to face it slightly outward just to get a little bit more coverage, or point it at the ditches. Let's go ahead and turn it off. These are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams, and the hood mount kit. You guys are going to absolutely love this product. Thank you guys very much for watching.